Let's see how to create a Zapier automation in SaasAnt Transactions Online and connect it with Google Drive. Log in to SaasAnt Transactions Online. From the left menu, go to Automation. Here you can see different automation options like email, FTP, Zapier, and local folder automation. Choose Zapier. Now select the transaction type. For this example, I'm choosing checks. Under Zapier integration, select Google Drive. Enter the email address where the file should be sent or received for this automation, then click Next. Now, SaasAnt will ask you to map your file. You can upload a file, use your own mapping, or select an existing saved mapping. Here, I'm using the Auto Default Mapping for checks. Make sure the required fields are mapped properly. Once the mapping is done, click Next. Now review the automation details. You can see the transaction type, token, mapping name, and Zapier integration. If everything looks good, click Create Automation. This is just a quick review before moving to Zapier. You can click Show How It Works if you want to view the setup flow. Once done, click Done. Now go to My Automations. Here you can see the Zapier automation created for checks. Next, open Zapier. Go to Zaps and create a new Zap. Every Zap starts with a trigger. Click Trigger. Search for Google Drive and select it. For the trigger event, I'm choosing New File in Folder. This means the Zap will start whenever a new file is added to the selected Google Drive folder. Now connect your Google Drive account. Choose the account you want to use and click Continue. Next, configure the trigger. Choose the drive. Then select the folder where your file will be added. Here, I'm selecting my folder Zapier SaasAnt. Keep Include subfolders as false unless you want Zapier to check files inside subfolders too. Click Continue. Now, test the trigger. Zapier will fetch a sample file from the selected Google Drive folder. Click Test Trigger. Once the file is found, select the record. Here, Zapier has found the sample file. Review it quickly, then click Continue with selected record. Now it's time to add the action. Search and select SaasAnt Transactions. For the action event, choose Create Transaction. Now connect your SaasAnt Transactions account. Select QuickBooks Online as the platform, then paste the API key or token from the My Automations dashboard in SaasAnt. Enter the account name and continue. Now configure the action. Choose the transaction type as check. For the file field, select the file fetched from Google Drive. For the file name, choose the title from Google Drive. Here, the file name is SaasAntChecks.csv. Click Continue. Now review the setup. Zapier will show the file and file name that will be sent to SaasAnt Transactions. Click Test Step. Once the test is successful, the file is sent to SaasAnt Transactions. You'll see the success status inside Zapier. Now click Publish. Once published, Zapier will show the success message. This means the Zap is live. You'll also receive an acknowledgement email once SaasAnt receives the file. After the file is processed, you'll receive another email with the success or failure status, or you can check the job status directly inside SaasAnt Transactions. Open My Automations. Click the three dots next to your Zapier automation, select View Jobs. Here you can see the status history. If the status shows success, it means the file was processed and sent to QuickBooks Online successfully. To view the import details, click the reference ID. This will open the import summary. Here you can see the successful records, failed records, and warnings if any. In this example, all 10 checks were imported successfully. To verify a transaction in QuickBooks, click the Response ID. You can also download the result file or use Undo if you need to reverse the imported transactions.
That's it! Zapier automation has been successfully set up, and the same flow works for any transaction type. Zapier automation is useful when you regularly receive the same type of file and don't want to upload it manually every time. Once the setup is live, just add the file to your selected Google Drive folder. SaasAnt Transactions will handle the import into QuickBooks Online automatically.